Welcome to MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. I'm Ben Beecher. Today we'll be going through this beautiful brand new 2023 Nautique S23. You see the outside of this boat's really sharp. If you like a black and white boat, awesome contrast. Also did it up here on the tower. We come to the back of the boat. You're going to see the Nautique's famously engineered Nautique surf system, as well as this one is equipped with a steer assist. And this particular model does have a boarding ladder on the swim platform. Come on up, let's take a look on the inside. As we come to the inside of the boat, we'll start back here. You see a nice prep area or seating area if you happen to be out at anchor, and a nice wide walkway into the cockpit. All right, as we get into the cockpit here, you'll see we have our flight control tower here. Is going to be the speakers on it. This one does have the strapless board racks to go with it. They just haven't been installed yet. And then also we have the seat here. If you need more riders or more people watching the riders in the back, this one goes up as well. So a lot of visibility towards the back of the boat, watching the cool stuff going on back there. Inside here, big storage area with a subwoofer under there. And at the helm here, you'll have your touch screen over here, and then the redundancy of the buttons over here if you don't want to use your touch screen. Gives you great visibility having this over here. And up at the front of the boat, see we have the bow filler cushion in. Nice area inside this boat. You can see this color inside is kind of unique. It's called the steel blue from Nautique, but good looking boat. Comfortable boat. Great boat for Lake of the Ozarks because we have a nice deep area up front here, so not going to be gulping a bunch of water over the front even in rough water. So once again, my name is Ben Beecher, MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. Thank you for taking the time to go through this beautiful new 2023 Nautique S23. Thanks, have a great day.